Recently, NASA astronomers finally uncovered evidence that there's water on Mars. And whenever there's water anywhere, that certainly means, or not certainly, but that implies that there might be life. Water is one of the most important aspects of life, as you know, along with hydrogen, methane, nitrogen, and the other elements. As recorded in the Miller-Urey experiments in the early, 1950s, 19 something, Miller and Urey made a closed experiment in where they shot electricity to simulate lightning, and they found that simple amino acids and even the four bases, thymine, guanine, cytosine, and adenine, appeared. So we have the basic building blocks of life. So then it just takes chance where these blocks just fit together and form, DNA. So what these Mars scientists discovered is that there's these weird, caverns, these weird, like lines, creases in the Earth, and that's like the Grand Canyon, where it once used to be water, and they made these deep Earth canyons. And actually, Mars has been theorized to be like Earth in the past, where there was possibly a whole oceans, some land, and possibly some life forms. But we can't find any evidence of life yet. They're still looking. In the future, they're about to send 2 more, I think, Mars Discovery probes to scour the canyons for any signs of water and life. So yeah, like I said, Mars used to look like Earth, and it's been theorized that something big like a comet or an asteroid hit Mars and blew off the surface into space, all the important elements. And the evidence for that is the Mars's spin. It's unlike the Earth's spin, where it's strong and it creates a strong magnetic field which repulses any sort of space debris and burns it up before it hits Earth strong enough to damage the Earth. With Mars, the spin is kind of weak. It just doesn't make sense that it's so weak, because Mars is similar to Earth, and it should be close somewhere as strong, but it's really weak, and it's not. It just seems like something strong has damaged it. And from the surface of Mars, there's evidence that there used to be something there, like these canyons, but they're not there anymore. It's been long theorized also that there may be water in the poles of Mars. We see in the pictures and telescope recordings of it that there's white stuff there. Most of it is carbon dioxide, like frozen carbon dioxide, which is just dry ice. But somewhere underneath the frozen carbon dioxide, there is possibly water. So yeah, Google that, and it's something interesting if there's water on Mars.